No, this is the original gumball. So we're gonna have to insert a row. Insert. We want to shift these cells down, not the entire row. And we're gonna add gumballs because this is the second. Uh-oh, someone got the door. So this was the second order gumball. So this was 47.88. All right, someone's knocking on my door. I'll be right back. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. All right, so we got the gumballs, everything, sum of G, make sure everything is, formulas are fine. Looks good. I went up because the cost of our gumballs. All right, and then we're gonna extend, insert some rows. Oh wait, 24, 25. And let's get these dates extended. Put in more rows. Perfect. So here's our. Alright, so it looks good so far. We're negative, we're still paying off this machine. And then we are stopped, fully stopped, the machine stopped. So here on out, you shouldn't see any more cost of supplies until, my guess is probably January. So once we get those gumballs, plug in numbers. Let's say if we go back to 35 a week. And just drag this down. Let's just see when that machine will be paid off. So that's just to kind of give you a rough idea. So by the end of the school year, so we're talking June, the last week in June, considering we do one of our high weeks, which we did like 35, going down to profit. Given that's with obviously not buying, which we're probably going to have to purchase when we possibly one bag of gumballs. I think we have in stock maybe a couple, I forgot what it was, 2 or 3 bags. I think I wrote it down over here. We bought $100 worth of staples. Let me take a look. Hold on. Yeah, in stock. So in stock, I just checked. We have 2 big bags of staples. So we have 2 more bags. Alright, perfect. I guess that's it. So that's the updated spreadsheet. Right now it is 6. I'm going to delete that because I haven't gotten to these guys. Updated spreadsheet. We're going to start Microsoft Excel. I know my guys are on Microsoft, we're on Word still. So after, in this month, we're going to have students. They're going to be updating the spreadsheet and then we're running some Word with Excel. So here's our gumball spreadsheet. And then we'll do another update